and welcome to the next lesson. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about the different type of road upgrades. So you have probably seen road construction projects going on around town, and you might be wondering exactly what they are doing. Now, well, there are several types of road upgrades, each with its own purpose. The first type of road upgrade is reconstruction. This is essentially building a road where an old one existed. It involves completely removing the existing pavement, underlying layers, and then building a new road from the ground up. Reconstruction is typically needed where the existing road is beyond repair due to several damage, age, or inadequate foundation. It is the most extensive and expensive type of road upgrade. The next type of upgrade is rehabilitation. This focuses on restoring an existing road to its original condition and extending its lifespan. It addresses issues like cracks, potholes, and surface wear. Common techniques used in rehabilitation include resurfacing. That's where you overlay with either a new asphalt layer or concrete, patching, crack sealing, and strengthening the existing pavement. Now, the third type is capacity improvement. As the term says, this aims to increase the road's ability to handle traffic flow. Now, there are several ways of doing this, and these include widening. When you widen, you're going to find that you're going to add more lanes to the road. Intersection improvements. That could include adding lanes, you add traffic signals, or you build a roundabout. The other is grade separation, building overpasses and underpasses to eliminate intersections. Another form could be improving access control, limiting access to certain points, and which helps reduce conflict. Now, the fourth type of road upgrade is safety improvements. Now, this, as the term says, these are just upgrades that focus on reducing accidents, improving safety for all road users. And some common safety improvements include improving visibility. This is either where you remove obstacles or you add lighting. The other is installing safety features, guardrails, median barriers, rumble strips, movable bollards. And you can do signage, markings, and these are all just to improve visibility and have consistency. Now, the fifth type of road upgrade is spot improvements. Now, these are targeted upgrades to address specific issues at a particular section on the road. For example, this might involve fixing a recurring pothole, improving drainage in a flood-prone area, or adding a pedestrian crossing. Now, this is focusing on a spot. Now, the sixth and final type of upgrade is modernization. Now, this involves bringing older roads to the current standards. Most of the roads that were constructed during colonial times, if you're in Africa, this might include drainage, adding shoulders, or upgrading the current design standards for the curves and side distance. Now, what I want you to note is that these categories can overlap. For example, a reconstruction project might also need some capacity improvements. Now, the specific type of upgrades will depend on a number of factors like the road condition, traffic volumes, safety record, and budget. Now, I hope this lesson gives you a better understanding of the different type of road upgrades. Now, look around you, ask yourself whether the road upgrades in your area are spot upgrades, whether it's modernization, whether it's rehabilitation or construction. Now, most of the roads you're going to be designing in this course are going to be mainly road. Most of the roads you're going to design in this course are going to be mainly reconstruction, where you're looking at a new area and you're either ripping everything out. Rehabilitation a bit complicated, but that's a discussion for another time. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next lesson.